place your garage on life support? Does it need a quick, easy, and affordable lifeline to restore to its former glory? Whether it needs service or repair, you need help from the professionals to make it spring back into action. We're proud to offer a diverse range of services with professional installations and lasting solutions that will save you endless time and money in the long run. We utilize nothing but the very latest in technology, combining advanced innovations with trusted and proven methods. Our experienced and friendly team can source any tools needed to take your garage door off of life support, and are armed and ready to tackle emergencies over weekends and public holidays. Prevention is always better than cure, so get in touch with the pros today to set your garage door back on the right track before it's too late.